Hi guys, good day. In this video, I am going to teach you how to apply HMO for your dependents. First, you have to visit the link of our new employees web portal, which is employee.adu.edu.ph:8079. After that, you have to enter your user code and password. Then, on the left side, you can see the human resource option. And then, just click the arrow and you will see the different services under Human Resource Department. Then look for HMO and click it. Then click Request. After clicking Request, there's another window, and this is now the HMO application form. After reading this, then you are now ready to enroll your dependents. Just click Dependents and click Add. After clicking Add, you can see the list of your dependents and choose the dependents you want to apply for HMO. Then click Save. After clicking Save, you choose what type of HMO you want to enroll for them. Then you just have to choose what plan. Now, if you want to add a rider for yourself or for an employee, then you just have to click the link on the lower left, which is the rider for employee. Just click it and you will see the 3 different rider plan options. After selecting the rider plan, the amount for the rider for employee will also be added to the amount for salary deduction. If you are done completing the form, then you just have to click Apply. Then another window will pop out for confirmation, and then just click Yes. After clicking Yes, you can see the status of your application, and you will also receive an email notification once your application has been approved or disapproved. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.